Hi everyone, we're at Quilt Festival in Houston, Texas, and booth number 540. We're doing a couple really great specials here at the show, so if you're at the show, stop by, we'd love to see you. Also, I wanted to do a couple videos of some of our new tools. So this is our new Moons and Stars. A lot of people requesting things for baby quilts, that type of thing. So this is our new Moons and Stars. I'm going to go ahead and put my foot down right in that little path. As you can see, I've got my little grip dots on there already. And I'm going to go ahead and just start stitching. So I'm just following right along. And when I get to this open part here, I'm going to stay to the side. And so when I come back out, my threads are going to cross. So all the way around this little star here, which is really cute. I've only stitched this a couple of times. I really like it a lot. And then one more loop-de-loo. And stop, needle down at the end. I'm going to go ahead and twist and continue.
Okay, there.
Right. And then go ahead and do the next. Alrighty, now I'm going to go ahead and cut my thread. A couple little back stitches there. And you can see how nice that turns out. Now we are doing this in the 3 sizes. So we have it in the mini, the XL, which also uses that mini ruler foot. And we have it in the large size for the 1/2-inch foot or the Westerly foot. You can get those on our website, www.cscountrystitchin.com. Thanks, have a great night.